Chelsea fans around the world. Today, you will settle this debate as we are put this two prime left-back defenders under the microscope in an extensive, side-by-side tactical breakdown. Argentina's rising superstar, Valentín Barco, and Rayo Vallecano's relentless engine, Pep Chavarría. One is a midfield orchestrator disguised as a defender. The other is an absolute powerhouse wingback who thrives on physical duels and traditional width. Who fits the Alonso revolution? Let's get into the analytics. Let's start the analysis with Valentín Barco. The young Argentine is a highly unique profile in modern football. If you look closely at his positional tracking data from his recent campaign, you will confirm with me that Barco does not operate like a traditional touchline-hugging fullback. He is fundamentally an inverted midfield, skillful and trickish playmaker disguised as a left back. Just take a look at what I'm talking about. Wow. This is outstanding and braveness in display. Under Xabi Alonso, we know how critical press resistance and central territory manipulation are during the build-up phase. Barco handles intense opposition pressure beautifully and sharp. When an opponent triggers a high press, Barco is equal to the tasks because he possesses the technical security and low center of gravity to drift directly into the left half space or the central third, receive the ball in a half turn, and split lines with progressive killer's passes. He is always ready to dictate the tempo of the game, create central overloads, and manipulate defensive blocks with intelligent underlapping runs. Trust me, you can't help but love his ball play. His creative output is staggering. He is a high-volume passer who looks to execute high-risk, high-reward line-breaking balls. Did you see that? Take another look. Oh my goodness. This guy would be a joy to watch at Stamford Bridge next season. Furthermore, his exceptional crossing curve and dead ball delivery make him a premium asset on set pieces. However, this highly progressive style does come with tactical trade-offs. Defensively, Barco can occasionally be exposed in a low-block system. Due to his lighter frame and natural inclination to push forward in a midfield, he can get caught out in isolated, physical one-on-one duels against explosive, direct Premier League wingers. Barco Valentín relies heavily on anticipation and interceptions rather than raw physical imposition. Now, let's completely flip the script and look at the alternative, Pep Chavarría. At 28 years old, the Spaniard represents absolute physical maturity and La Liga reliability. Where Barco wants to step inside, slow the tempo down, and orchestrate the play, Pep Chavarría wants to turn on the jets, exploit the flank, and stretch the entire pitch. Chavarría is an absolute powerhouse on that left side, dragging opposing defenders away and providing a constant, high-speed passing outlet on the wing. Chavarría was the absolute engine behind Rayo Vallecano's historic run to the UEFA Conference League final last season, proving his immense durability. His primary strength is his high-volume stamina and exceptional recovery speed. When the team transitions out of possession, his recovery positioning is flawless. He is a defensive wall, averaging highly impressive tackling and interception numbers per 90 minutes. Crucially, his passing accuracy sits at a highly reliable 84%. He does not take the high-risk creative gambles that Barco takes, but he offers absolute structural discipline. Chavarría can seamlessly tuck in to form a rigid back three during transition phases, offering the defensive security and physical resilience required to anchor a backline. His primary limitation is that he lacks the elite, visionary line-breaking passing range of Barco. Chavarría is a progressive carrier who drives the team forward with his legs, rather than a progressive passer who unlocks defenses with his vision. So, what is the ultimate tactical verdict for Xabi Alonso and Chelsea? This shouldn't necessarily be an either-or choice. With Barco's unique ability to step directly into an advanced central midfield pivot, signing Pep Chavarría provides the perfect defensive floor for the squad. It gives Xabi Alonso the luxury of absolute tactical flexibility. Chavarría provides the structural iron and physical security needed for high-intensity, defensive-away fixtures, while the dazzling, inverted creativity of Barco is exactly what is needed to break down stubborn low blocks at Stamford Bridge. The recruitment strategy indicates that Chelsea are building an incredibly versatile, tactical machine capable of adapting to any European opponent. Drop your comments below, Chelsea Africa family. Valentín Barco versus Pep Chavarría, who's a better fit for Chelsea starting left-back slot? Let's hear your stand on the comments section. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more elite tactical videos, transfer news, and turn on your notifications. We will see you in the next one. Up the Blues!